This is the GWM Tank 500, a luxury SUV that looks like it's ready for war and comfort at the same time. Today, we're taking a full look at one of the most talked about SUVs right now, the GWM Tank 500, a vehicle that aims straight at legends like the Land Cruiser and Prado, but with modern luxury and aggressive styling. Let's start with the design. The Tank 500 has a bold, boxy shape that screams strength. Up front, the massive chrome grille, bold LED headlights, and muscular hood give it serious road presence. This SUV doesn't try to look soft or sporty. It looks powerful, confident, and premium. From the side, the tall stance, wide body, and large wheels make it clear this is a true off-road ready machine. And at the rear, the vertical tailgate design and spare wheel styling remind you of classic hardcore SUVs. Step inside, and the story changes completely. The interior is surprisingly luxurious. Soft touch leather, wood or metallic accents, ambient lighting, and a modern dashboard give the Tank 500 a premium feel. The large digital display, infotainment screen, and fully digital instrument cluster make it feel up to date and tech-focused. This is a true family-friendly SUV with plenty of space for passengers and luggage. Comfort is clearly a priority here, whether you're driving in the city or heading into the mountains. Now let's talk about performance. The GWM Tank 500 is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, often paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing around 348 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. Power delivery is smooth, strong, and confident. It's not built for racing. It's built for pulling, climbing, and long-distance cruising. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the SUV feels solid and planted on the road. Off-road capability is where the Tank 500 really shines. It comes with a proper four-wheel drive system, low-range gearing, multiple terrain modes, and locking differentials depending on the variant. Whether it's sand, mud, rock, or snow, this SUV is built to handle it. This is not just a luxury SUV with an off-road look, it's a real off-roader. Technology and safety are also well covered. You get adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance system. Everything you expect in a modern premium SUV is here, but no car is perfect. The GWM Tank 500 is large and heavy, which you'll feel in tight city driving. Fuel consumption is also higher compared to smaller SUVs, and in some markets, brand trust is still growing compared to established Japanese rivals. So, final verdict, the GWM Tank 500 is a bold statement. It combines luxury, strong performance, and real off-road capability at a price that often undercuts its competitors. If you want a powerful, comfortable SUV that can handle rough terrain and still feel premium inside, the Tank 500 deserves serious attention. Now I want to know, would you choose the GWM Tank 500 over a Land Cruiser? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more car reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.